Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I will be taking you through using ChatGPT to summarize reviews on udemy.com. So for this exercise, go to any course on Udemy and scroll to the section where there are reviews by the users or the learners. So if you find any review that you want to summarize on GPT, you just copy the first one, copy it and go to ChatGPT. If you have an account, create a new chat and just write summarize these reviews and paste the reviews, which will give you a summary of what this user is talking about or trying to tell the instructor. So he's taking his time to analyze it and bring out some result for us to use. Okay, so right now the result says that the reviewer highly praises the course, stating that it covers a wide range of topics and allows learners to ask questions about anything and even beyond the course material. And now we want to fix or improve these reviews. So GPT is going to give us some list of preferred suggestion on what we are meant to improve on this particular reviews that just been suggested. So the next query we need to type in GPT is what should I fix to improve these reviews? So click enter and wait for its response. So these are some of the instructions or the suggestions from GPT, and this is what we are meant to use to make sure that this particular course is better. So with that, I've come to the end of this tutorial.